3, 2, 1. Oh my.
It's really sketchy.
But Will now is gonna do some donuts with smoke bombs taped to his bumper.
Review what? We gotta review the footage, bro. Hey. You guys stay over there, okay?
It's about that time again. We're right outside of Summit Auto. We just finished shooting James Stradman all day. Let's see, this is gonna be part 3. So you guys are gonna catch Stradman's video last week, and this is part 3, and we're gonna race him tomorrow, but this, what we're about to see, is the result. I was telling Brandon and Dash on the way over here, like a long time of saving money and planning out what the wrap is gonna look like and the build is gonna look like, going to 305 Forge with the wheels, Summit with the wrap, planning out this week when we were gonna come shoot out here, the travel dates, arranging it with my day job, and then doing everything from, you know, meal prepping every day at work to to saying, let me hit unlock.
Yeah, there you go.
Yeah, to like saying no to like going out with friends and just like taking second and third jobs to afford this, because this is the most expensive thing I've ever bought, is like all the stuff I'm putting on the car. It's worth a lot of money, and it's gonna be worth it because it's for YouTube and it's to grow this channel. And we keep saying it, 2020 we're doing YouTube full time, and this is like the first huge step in that direction. So we're gonna go see what the car looks like when it's all together. Here we go. You stoked? Are we stoked? Is it done?
Oh my.
Is it done?
Close your eyes. Close your eyes.
Can I look? Can I check it out?
Stand up, close your eyes.
Dude, look.
All right, here we go. 3, 2, 1. Oh my. Yo. You guys.
You like it?
Oh yeah. This is so much sicker than I thought it was gonna be. Oh, we're gonna have so many people watching us. Jeez, this is awesome. This is so sick. You guys killed it. You guys absolutely, this is perfect. This is the coolest car I've ever seen. And we were with James today. This is sick. The blue was just the blue was the right move.
The blue turned out so sick. Especially if you have like the blue lights on the inside.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. So I can do any color on the spectrum, so I can actually like color match it. It's like there's an app on my phone, and I can literally point the phone at any color, and it'll make the lights that color, so we can get it exactly. Yeah, I've been planning these color scheme for a while. This is so nice. Wow, you guys got it around the parking sensors too. Jeez.
So the parking sensors were actually pretty fun. So you can see they have like a surround. Not too many cars have that. So I wrapped that itself, then the sensor itself, and then the bumper.
So much time and effort and attention and detail. Jeez, guys.
Just gotta throw on that one side skirt over there, and then we should be done.
Where's the Summit Auto Lab logo?
I still have to cut that.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, we're not in a hurry. We can.
Cool.
We're good.
Yeah, this last little bit when I texted you, I was like, oh, we got an hour left, and then there was like some stuff on the front here. Like, man, it's just like it didn't look right.
Yeah.
So we ended up redoing the whole front.
Are you serious?
With just the camo. Just the camo parts.
It looks perfect.
Yeah.
Everything's perfect.
It didn't look as good before.
Oh my god.
Looks a lot better now.
Oh god.
So that's what put us about an hour behind.
Wow, you guys are so good. This is so good. Sheesh.
It always matches perfect with your.
Sheesh, yeah.
Really close, man.
So nice. And the wheels were just perfect.
Yeah.
Oh man. What a good move. We're gonna debut this thing on the racetrack tomorrow. We are taking on James and the BURLACHER. I think BURLACHER's bringing to Shelby 100%. James may or may not come out. If he does, he said he'll either bring the Focus RS or the Ferrari Challenge car. And we gotta beat him in the Roush. It's like Ford versus Ferrari tomorrow. If he shows up. Regardless, it's gonna be fun to finally track this car, so I'm not just driving around Los Angeles in traffic with a 4-point harness like a poser. I can actually say that I tracked it. All right, off to tomorrow. All right, wrap is 100% complete. It's a bright sunny day. Let's see, it is Friday. This is our last day in Utah. We're on our way to Vegas tonight. At the Strad Pad, we got the challenge car and the rest of the fleet out here. We're gonna take this guy and this guy, do a little Ford versus Ferrari race out on the track. See who can drive the fastest. There are some things that make this unique though, because my car has the lowest horsepower out of the three. This car's a manual gearbox. This car is sketchy in the rain, so everybody has their drawbacks. This cold start. It's so loud. All right, this is the day we've been preparing for, Roush. You got this, buddy. We're gonna smoke Ferrari like we did in the Le Mans race back in the day. I know you're not a Shelby, but you know what? We got a Shelby over there too. Oh man, I'm excited. It's rainy and we're taking 2 Mustangs and a race car like way south and taking them on a track where there might be snow. Our insurance companies really should not subscribe. We're all high liability. Mustangs everywhere. Whoa! Rollers in the rain, man. Whatever it takes for the shot. All right, the racetrack has too much snow, so the challenge car, goodbye, Ferrari loses automatically. We're gonna go back and get the Focus RS, and it's gonna be the Focus RS versus the Roush, versus the Shelby. So three Fords out on the track. All right, we're out here at Blinker Fluid headquarters, just covered with fresh powder. We've got the Roush, we've got the GT350, the Focus RS is on its way. The challenge car was not gonna stand a chance on this snow. I'm already kind of sketched out by the Mustang, but at least it's not packed ice. So I think we'll be okay. We're running summer tires, I believe, on this car. So tread isn't ideal, but I've been driving this car and the S197 body before it for the last like 7 years. And a lot of that time I spent on snow, both in Utah and North Carolina. So I'm super familiar with what this car can handle, but I've never really tried to push the limits on the snow. So we'll find where that envelope is today. With that said, I'm gonna take my discovery lap now if Brandon wants to row with me and we can see what this thing can do. Not sure what the situation is gonna be like tread-wise afterwards. I think the snow is really gonna help us, but we're still gonna probably take some tread off the tires for sure. Anyway, discovery lap time. So I've got traction control off right now because I don't want the car to lose any torque because of the snow. I just want to be able to control it. This is so much fun. We're not gonna need a whole lot of suspension or any kind of upgrades there. Like that's not gonna come into play because we're not going fast enough. It's really just a matter of how well can you handle the weight of your car, how much are you willing to push it, and how well can you drift these turns. It's really sketchy.
Every time I drive one of these, I come this close to the...
It's a part they put on the car in the factory. It's like a crowd
so
sensor.
if you keep it a long ways, my puppy's right there. Like, I get us, like, no big deal. But for Oscar, yeah. Nothing like the smell of fresh rubber in the late afternoon. He almost killed me. Not bad for a Mustang driver, not bad at all.
We say we had some smoke bombs.
Let's do it. 4 predictions. That GoPro's gonna go flying. That's gonna come unattached. That is, and that is as well. Those are my 4 predictions. And Burlacher's gonna trip at some point.
So 5?
This is such a bad idea. I mean, I guess the worst case scenario is not gonna be that bad. What are you doing? Go, go, go!
125.
Respect that.
Man, 125's not bad. That's not bad.
You guys are really putting the pressure on me.
Yes, we are. Yes, we are.
On your mark, get set, go!
Oh man, supposed to get 3 winners out of these. I think I'm down to 2 or 1. Time. Where's the time? Where's the timer? Wait. Okay. I forgot who's timing.
We got a time. We got a time.
Okay.
All right. So your time was 9 minutes. I'm kidding. So your time was 1 minute and 49 seconds. .84.
Good job. That's fast.
Come on,
That's
bro.
fast. I'm gonna try to drive faster than the Focus RS, which definitely put down the fastest time. But at least I'll win best of show because we sent it.
2, 1.
That felt fast.
I was confident at first, but I'm not confident anymore.
That felt real fast.
Did it feel fast?
I will tell you this. It is significantly drier, way less snow than my practice run a couple hours ago. So take that into account.
We're gonna review some footage. So hold on one second.
Okay.
Review what?
We gotta review the footage, bro. Hey. You guys stay over there, okay?
It's that close?
Going crazy right now. I came into some turns faster than I ever have on the snow. I was like, we just gotta go. If I go into tires into the side, I go into the side, and it held. It held every turn, and no flexing, no weird suspension. I didn't lose the back end on anything. I almost lost the dare because I went in on, I upshifted into the turn and almost made a mistake, and I tried to downshift and almost lost the back end. But I took that, and from there it was butter.
That's a great moment.
You wanna do it?
No.
It was under review.
Yeah.
Just
It was that close. We had to debate which one it was.
okay. Just as a reminder, Nick, you got 149.84.
So really 150, honestly, like you round it up. As an accountant, you always round up 150. 150 to make it easy.
Why are you here?
True. That's actually a great point. You invited me. Okay. That's what it, yeah, anyways.
Okay.
Okay, and Will, you did 148.44. So he got you by a second.
Oh man. Oh man.
I'll let you guys fight it out.
I like how James has such a comfortable lead. He's like, you guys can fight over second place.
About 18 seconds right now. We're just chilling.
All right, I did my second lap. What was the time? 1:34. I hit third place, but I beat my first time, and we did perfect donuts. So I'd say that's a win. You're gonna be seeing this car a lot in Los Angeles. I'm so psyched that is exactly the way that I wanted it. This is the result of like at least a year plus of saving and planning exactly how it's gonna look like. And what a perfect day to be able to bring it outside, we'll track it for the first time ever. And now we validated that purchase of the 4-point harness inside our car. So DM Slider, super proud of the car. We didn't lose the back end, we didn't crash. And I was able to share it because we took Desh along and I took my friend Brandon along. Guys, we drop videos like this every single Thursday. Make sure you're liking and subscribing because I want to be a YouTuber in 2020. I'm going to remind you at the end of every video so that you can move your mouse just a little bit down to the bottom, hit subscribe so you guys can push me closer to that goal. And I want to take all of you with me. Catch you next week. Peace.